Hi sir, please like and subscribe. Tap profile. Tap settings. Scroll down. Yeah, enable assistant. Yeah. Select which app to use when you press and hold the side button. Digital assistant apps can help you by gathering information from the screen currently shown on your phone. Tap. Assistant apps are able to read information on your screen. Some apps also send additional data to assistant apps. Simply we can turn off unless on screen images. Yeah, capabilities. Simply the search and the play media. Simply describe the song or video you want and let the assistant find and play it. Intelligent reminders. Just say what you need to remember and let the assistant handle the rest. For example, remind me watch next. Yeah, write text and email, give a brief description and let the assistant draft your message or email. Text Jim that I am running late. I'm 10 minutes away. Navigation rides asks the assistant to navigate anywhere or order an Uber ride for you. Notification summary. Have the assistant read your notification and give you a concise rundown of what matters. Catch me app on my notifications. Ask about screen context. The assistant can fact check, translate, or share anything that's on your screen. Please check this article for me. Ask with camera. Tell the assistant to open the camera to ask any question about what's in front of you. Just finish it. Use this. What should I read next? Help with restaurant reservation. Get local restaurant recommendation and help with reserving tables there. Reach out to businesses. Have the assistant find contacts, call businesses, or draft email on your behalf. Call will forward to customer support. Assistant passes the contact from one step to the next to keep serving your requests. By tapping. Hello, hello, hello.
Hallo, wie kann ich dir heute helfen?
Oh no. Speak English. Forget. Speak English, please.
Of course. How can I help you today?
Where the taxes? Oh, I just forgot. Where the taxes?
Or just navigate you to the nearest tax.
No. Okay. How to access it by typing permissions. Okay. Contact. Microphone to use this voice feature. Please allow the referral function off. Allow the referral to your contacts, for example, when sending message or emails. Calendar fast and visual schedule enable calendar accessing. Access phone for making phone calls. Access location influence based on your location area while using app. And the read notification allows for the assistant to read your notification, for example, to summarize your latest message. Yeah, we can change assistant language. Lock screen settings. Send message and make phone call without unlocking the device. Where's Fargo?
Is best known as a 1996 crime film by the Coen brothers,
Just
featuring a
weather. Okay. Where's the Texas?
Texas is located in the South. Texas
Why
is
is
located in the
located?
south central region of the United States. It borders New Mexico to the west, Oklahoma.
Okay, where is the located Montana?
Montana is located in the northwestern region of the United States, within the Mountain West subregion. It shares.
Oh, where is born Michael Jordan? Where is born Cristiano Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Funchal, which is the capital city of the island of Madeira, Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in Funchal, which is the capital city.
Thanks. Please like and subscribe, I beg.